Hey Instagram enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, running an Instagram theme page using AI, and of course, how to monetize it. Let's get started. Segment 1, Theme Page Creation. Begin by selecting a niche or theme you're passionate about. Use AI tools like Canva to create visually appealing content templates that align with your theme. Segment 2, AI-generated content. AI can help you generate posts related to your theme. Tools like Artbreeder can create unique images that fit your aesthetic. Segment 3, Smart Scheduling. Optimize your posting schedule with AI-based schedulers like Later. They analyze when your audience is most active for maximum engagement. Segment 4, Hashtag Research with Flick. Utilize AI-powered tools like Flick to identify trending hashtags in your niche. This boosts the discoverability of your content. Segment 5, Monetization Strategies. Now, let's talk money. Monetize your theme page through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, selling merchandise, or even offering themed products/services. Segment 6, Affiliate Marketing. Leverage AI to find and promote products related to your theme. Earn commissions when your followers make purchases through your affiliate links. Segment 7, Sponsored Posts. Collaborate with brands relevant to your niche. AI can help you identify potential sponsors and negotiate partnerships. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, the recipe for running a successful Instagram theme page using AI and savvy strategies to monetize it. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your theme page blossom.